Morning, YouTube. Do we want to see what's inside of a soldering gun? It's a Wheeler Expert. That's what it says, Expert. Not very big, 100, 140 watts. Yeah, the light don't come on, and it takes forever to heat up, so I'm stripping it apart. All I did was take the screws out. That's what's in there. Ain't much to it. Any more light in here? Ain't much to it. I'll take the other cover off. There you go. That's it. Just a little bit of a winding of copper. I don't know if this stuff is copper or not. Not sure if it's magnetic. There's a little, probably finding that. I'm gonna say that's copper. That's steel. Because it always needs a motor of some sort, right? It won't scratch very. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. It's copper. So there ain't much to these. I was trying to use it because I made a plug for my light over there. The one where I pulled the chain and it fell apart. Broken my hands. Everybody said that I'm eating the wrong cereal because I'm too tough for my lights. Why are you making that so small? Well, it compacts in the bucket better. And I got this from Cruiser Mac. I was watching him cutting his copper up when he cuts it up. He cuts it so small. I always wondered why he did that. But now I know. But anyways, I tried to make this thing work. I found it, so I got it scrapping. That's a piece of copper, this part. I know that much because I cleaned it up and it came out real pretty. I cleaned it, readjusted it, did everything, but hey, old is old, right? Don't let you come out. Don't remember undoing you that far. But yeah, as you can hear, I have the wood stove going. Today is the first initial heating of the garage. I did do an initial. That's why it won't come apart. They're hooked. I did do an initial burn of it there a while back. Everybody's seen that. The light bulb must be burned out. Maybe that's half the problem why it don't work. You know, maybe. I don't know. That's a 2-speed switch. No, that's broken anyways. It's trying to, well, it did come out. There's some little brassy bits inside of that. So, I'm assuming that this one is connected through here. So, that's what I'm assuming. Because it looks like one piece. So somehow I got to get the windings off because I don't think that thing breaks in half anywhere. Actually, it looks like it's rolled up. It's a roll? It is too. Now that I'm looking at it better. Got a little tack weld there. And that's all it is. See? It's just rolled steel. Now that I look at it better, you can see the layers are rolling. So what do? Bend this out and just unwind it? Well, I have to get rid of this wire first, so Yeah, I'm new at all this stuff. You know what? Maybe now it'll work. Okay. Oh, it's unwinding on its own. Cool. Okay. We're gonna see. Yeah, just what I need. It'll probably shoot me in the face. You know? It's just tin. There, it shrunk a bit. I can maybe pull more of it off. I can't pull it this way, so yeah. We are winning the fight. Kinda. There we have it. All I did was unwind it. Well, there wasn't too much to that, was there? A little bit of copper windings here. Just have some plastic piece wrapped around it. There. All kinds of connections to it. There, got me on a copper wire bucket, which is growing. And this I don't know if that'd be considered one or two. Probably two, right? Because it's got the coating on it. So. But it is copper. So there you have it. One little plug. We take them all apart. Figuring now that it's getting cold out here, what you might call it? Plug soup. Huh, wonder what those are. I don't think they're copper. We're gonna get this cut so we can get them off of there. And that's copper. So anyways, there you have it. Not much for stuff, eh? Oh, look at that, a 10-minute video. See? Cooking real nice in here. That's the only noise you're going to hear off it. That's a variable speed fan. The pipe's finished cooking today. So I had that thing wide open initially getting it started, so everything hunky-dory so far. I can show you a little bit of what I've been up to lately. Let me get my coat on. It's cold out there. It's only like 30 Fahrenheit. Okay, we're going outside where it's sunny but cold. And see what we've been up to. See, look at that. See any smoke coming out of there? Just a slight hint. I just loaded it. So we picked that up, my wife and I did the other at night time in the dark. Had the big spotlights on the back rack of the truck lighting us up. Free, come and get it. It's Manitoba maple. Hey, that's fine. Just split them in half and still burns. Other than that, that wood's pretty solid. And my youngest and I, yesterday morning, we took what? We started at 9 and we got done around 1:30. 3 truck and trailer loads complete. Yes, that's pine. But if pine is below 20% moisture, it'll burn just as good as hardwood. Actually even burns better because it's more dense. And then this is silver and maple. The woman advertised she was having the tree cut, and I was the first to respond. I told her I'll take the whole thing, I just don't want the branches. So she got back to me, the company that cut the tree down for her, and took the branches away. So yeah, it's a nice little load. This is all one tree. Wasn't a humongous tree, as you can see by these things. These are just cut in half, so flip it around. It gives you the idea how wide the trunk was. So that's what we've been up to. So the wife is looking forward to it. She's got Sunday off, and she wants to start splitting. So the splitter's all gassed up and oiled up and you name it, ready to go. So yeah, today's the official day of actually starting to burn wood. You're looking for Mavis. She wanted in the house, so she doesn't like in the garage with Dad. So I got enough wood to split all that. This. There is some of this over there yet. So, and I got the word out, I want trees. I gotta clean that up and get after him. And because hopefully in 2 weeks, where you just seen that big pile, there's gonna be even a bigger pile. I gotta contact the guy in a couple of weeks, and he says I'm not a top priority. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, she's a little chilly out. But look, I have the big door open and just these guys. And it keeps it nice in here. I like it. So anyways, and we're running what? Way over here, and we're at 60 Fahrenheit. So yeah, we're doing good. We're doing all right. Before I had him running for about 20 minutes. That thing works great, but it doesn't heat a garage. It just heats directly in front of it, like, because it's a blower. So, but they use a lot of propane. If you run it on low, this one here, it's a 30 to 60,000. If I run it on low, it'll do 14 hours on a 20 pound propane tank. That's a 30 pounder. So it'll do 14 hours. If you run it on high, it'll only do 8 hours. So if you run it on low, like I run it, the last few days it's been chilly out, so I would run it for 10-15 minutes and then shut it off again, and it'd be good for a couple hours. So plus I have this thing heated now, keeping my batteries and tools moderately, see, 50 in here. It's just a little micro furnace, and all my power tools in here and my scale and all that are staying toasty. Of course he's not, because I've been using them. But anyways, that was that thing. Ooh, 15-minute video. Should I even upload it? Electric soldering gun.